have you ever just felt like, blah, just like you need a total like internal refresh?
Oh,
And I'm talking about your kidneys. Like, how do we help them out?
right.
Those are hard workers, right?
Absolutely. Those are our filters. They're going all the time.
Yeah. So we're going to be diving into 7 drinks that might be able to give your kidneys just a little extra support.
I like it. Support is good.
Yeah. It's all natural stuff, too.
Well, that's even better.
So before we get into it, though, just a really quick disclaimer. We are not doctors.
No, we are not.
This is not medical advice.
Correct.
If you have any concerns, please talk to your doctor.
Please do.
All right. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into drink number 7.
Okay, number 7. Let's hear it.
Cucumber and mint water.
Okay.
I mean, that just sounds refreshing.
It does sound refreshing, just kind of like light and,
Yeah.
it's a good way to stay hydrated too.
Exactly. And hydration is super important for your kidneys.
Yeah, it's like the key thing. You got to keep those fluids going.
Yeah. So how do you actually make this? Like, what is this?
Well, it's pretty simple. You just take some cucumber, nice and sliced up, some fresh mint leaves.
Okay.
Muddle those a little bit, put them in your water.
Muddle, you say?
Yeah, just kind of like crush them up a little bit to release the oils and the flavors.
Gotcha.
And then you just let it sit.
Okay.
Like it's all nice and infused.
I can already taste it, like
I know.
just like that cool cucumber and the mint.
Very crisp.
Yeah, and it just feels very cleansing, if that makes sense.
Well, it's the hydration aspect of it, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you're helping your kidneys flush everything out just by keeping those fluids up.
For sure. For sure.
Okay.
Okay, so moving on to number 6, we have lemon and ginger water.
Ooh, that's a classic.
Okay.
It's like the
OG detox water.
Yeah, it really is.
So what makes this one so special?
Well, I think both the lemon and the ginger have, these properties that can help cleanse your system.
Okay.
They've been used for a long time,
Yeah.
traditionally, for all sorts of things.
So how do you make this one?
Well, you just squeeze some fresh lemon juice into a glass of water, grate in some fresh ginger,
Mhm.
or you can even like slice it thinly.
I love fresh ginger.
It's so good, and it has that little kick to it.
Yes.
The lemon is bright and tangy,
Yeah.
and the ginger is kind of warming.
Yeah.
It's a really nice combination.
I feel like a lot of people drink this when they're feeling a little under the weather too.
Yeah, it can help settle your stomach,
Yeah.
which, indirectly can help with detoxification as well.
How so?
Well, if your digestion is sluggish,
Oh, right.
then, things aren't moving through as quickly.
Gotcha.
And that can put extra stress on your body.
Okay. Drink number 5, apple cider vinegar.
Ooh, apple cider vinegar. This one is everywhere.
Right. It's like the trendiest health drink out there.
It really is. People are putting it in everything.
So what's the deal with apple cider vinegar?
Well, it's fermented apple juice,
Okay.
and it's been used for like a really long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. For all sorts of like folk remedies.
Interesting.
People claim that it can help with everything from weight loss to blood sugar control.
Oh, wow. So it's like a cure-all?
I don't know about cure-all,
Okay.
but it definitely has some interesting properties.
Oh, okay. So how do you make this drink?
You just take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, put it in a glass of water.
Okay.
Some people like to add a little honey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
To cut the acidity.
Yeah, it can be pretty strong.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Honey is good too, though.
Yeah.
It has its own benefits, like antibacterial and antioxidant properties.
So what's the thinking behind apple cider vinegar and kidney health?
Well, some people believe that it can help alkalize your body,
Okay.
and that can support overall detoxification.
I see.
It's also been suggested that it could help with blood sugar regulation,
Okay.
and that can indirectly benefit your kidneys as well.
Oh, right. Because high blood sugar can be hard on your kidneys.
Exactly. It puts
Yeah.
a lot of stress on those filters.
Makes sense. All right. On to number 4, cranberry juice.
Oh, this is the classic UTI remedy.
Right. Cranberry juice and UTIs just go together.
It's like the first thing people think of.
Yeah. But is it really effective?
Well, studies have shown that cranberry juice can actually prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract.
Oh, wow.
So it can help reduce the risk of getting a UTI in the first place.
That's great.
And, UTIs can be really uncomfortable.
Yeah. I've heard they're no fun.
No, they're not. So cranberry juice can be a good preventative measure.
Okay, so how does cranberry juice specifically help the kidneys?
Well, if you have UTI and it's not treated,
Yeah.
it can spread to your kidneys.
Oh.
And that can be really serious.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So by preventing UTIs in the first place,
Right.
you're essentially protecting your kidney.
Gotcha. Okay, so what kind of cranberry juice should you drink?
Well, you want to look for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice.
Okay.
The kind that's just cranberries and nothing else.
Right.
It can be pretty tart, though.
Oh, yeah.
So you might want to dilute it with some water.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, up next at number 3, beetroot and carrot juice.
Ooh, this one sounds delicious.
Right.
And the color is amazing.
Yes, that vibrant red and orange, it just looks so healthy.
It's like a superfood drink.
It kind of is, right?
Beetroot is packed with nutrients.
Okay.
It's a good source of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow.
Oh, wow.
And it has these compounds called betalains, which are powerful antioxidants.
Okay, so how do you make this juice?
Pretty simple. You just wash and peel a beetroot and a couple of carrots,
All right.
chop them up, and then blend them with a little bit of water
Okay.
until it's nice and smooth.
Sounds easy enough.
Yeah, and you can adjust the amount of water depending on how thick you want it.
Okay.
Some people like to add a little ginger or lemon, too.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
It's really versatile.
And how does this particular juice support the kidneys?
Well, beetroot is known to support liver function,
Okay.
and the liver plays a big role in detoxification.
Right, it's like the body's main filter.
Exactly. So by supporting the liver, right?
They're indirectly supporting the kidneys.
Gotcha. And what about the carrots? What do they bring to the table?
Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene,
Okay.
which your body converts into vitamin A.
Okay.
And vitamin A is important for immune function.
Right.
So it's all about keeping your body healthy and functioning properly.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So is there anything else we should know about beetroot and carrot juice?
Well, beetroot does contain oxalates,
Okay.
which can contribute to kidney stones in some people.
Oh, right.
So if you have a history of kidney stones,
Yeah.
you might want to talk to your doctor before drinking this juice regularly.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
All right. Moving on to number 2, we have green tea.
Ah, green tea, a classic for a reason.
Right. This is a drink that's been enjoyed for centuries.
And there's a lot of research to back up its health benefits.
Okay, so what makes green tea so great for you?
Well, it's loaded with antioxidants,
Okay.
particularly these compounds called catechins.
Catechins.
Yes, they're really powerful antioxidants. Okay, so how do you make a good cup of green tea?
The key is to not use boiling water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, boiling water can actually damage the delicate flavor of green tea.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
Yeah, so you want to let the water cool slightly after it boils,
Okay.
and then steep the tea for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
That'll give you a nice balanced flavor.
So how does green tea support kidney health?
Well, those catechins that we talked about,
Yeah.
they can help protect your kidneys from damage.
Okay.
They also have anti-inflammatory properties,
Oh, wow.
which can be beneficial for overall health.
I see.
So green tea is really like a multitasker.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, and finally, our number 1 pick for kidney support is dandelion root tea.
Dandelion root tea. Oh, this is a good one.
Yeah, it sounds very herbal, very natural.
It is. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries.
Really?
Yeah, it's known for its diuretic property.
Diuretic meaning.
It helps you pee more,
Okay.
which
well,
can be really helpful for flushing out toxins. So how do you make this tea? You simmer dried dandelion roots in water for about 5 to 10 minutes,
Okay.
and then you strain out the roots.
Okay, and what does it taste like?
It's a little bitter
Okay.
and a little earthy,
Okay.
but a lot of people actually find it quite pleasant.
I might have to try it.
Yeah.
So how does dandelion root tea support kidney health?
Well, like I said, it's a diuretic.
Right.
So it helps increase urine production,
Okay.
and that helps flush out waste products from your kidneys.
Makes sense.
It's also thought to support liver function,
Okay.
which again indirectly benefits the kidneys.
So it's a good all-around detoxifier.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so is dandelion root tea safe for everyone?
Well, like with any herbal remedy,
Yeah.
it's always best to check with your doctor first.
Right, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.
Exactly, or if you're taking any medications.
Right, because there could be interactions.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with that.
Okay, so there you have it. 7 drinks that might give your kidneys some extra love.
I like that extra love.
Yeah, those kidneys deserve it. They work so hard for us.
They really do.
So which of these drinks are you going to try?
Ooh, that's a tough one. There are so many good options.
I know, right?
I think I might go for that cucumber mint water first.
Yeah, that sounds really refreshing.
Yeah, and then maybe I'll try the dandelion root tea later.
Ooh, yeah. Let me know how that one is.
I will!
All right, so remember, this is not medical advice.
Correct.
Always talk to your doctor if you have any concerns.
Absolutely.
And with that said, we'll see you in the next deep dive.
See you then, mate.
Bye.
Bye.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more healthy inspirations, and share this video with your friends.
Spread the love.
Yes, spread the love.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Bye.